My father died in 2009, and when it came time to sell the house, my mother basically said to me, Ellen, you have to get down there and deal with all this stuff. So I had about 3 days to go through the work, and I started curating at that moment. All the work went in boxes and it went in my closet, and I didn't touch it for probably like 6 years. I started to really feel a sense of responsibility to share the work. So I decided to, at the very least, go through it, as a project and document it. And then I met Frank and Ellen here and did a logo for them, and then in return, I asked if I could pick their brain about what to do with all this work. I wasn't sure if it would be a website or a book, and they suggested I have a show here to help figure out what we're doing. So that is the Sid Show, and here we are. My name is Ellen Steinberg. My background is I was an art director and creative director in advertising for years. In our home growing up, my dad kind of put his artwork wherever he wanted to. So we had murals on the walls, and he also did artwork on doors in our household. So we had the Steinberg door, which was at the top of our stairs growing up. It was the linen closet. Not many people put their family name on their linen closet door, but my family did. My father also painted the upstairs bathroom door. And it's funny because I used to send people up there when I was little to make them sit on the toilet and read the door and wait for them to laugh. So when we were first brainstorming on how to use these doors for the show, we had the idea to make it a contextual situation for them, which in this case would be the bathroom. And so we made a bathroom, and at that point I insisted we have to have wallpaper because we had crazy wallpaper all throughout our house. And that's when we talked with Spoonflower, and we decided to make wallpaper using some of his clip art. And the natural clip art to use, of course, was 1 and 2 for the bathroom. You can figure out what that means. So much of getting ready for this show was just going through the work. A lot of people have asked me if I've been really emotional about it, and honestly there just hasn't been a lot of time to get emotional because there was so much to just sort through. And I didn't really know how it was gonna feel or even look. Seeing it on the walls has been very exciting, just to see it come out of boxes and be able to be shown to the world. I've seen people burst out laughing. I've seen people burst into tears. I just love the idea that we've been able to share this work and move people. I've said this before, but I think my dad would be absolutely thrilled to know that he can keep doing what he loved doing, even though he's not here with us physically. His work is here. It's continuing to entertain people. And my dad was a big entertainer, and he loved to make people laugh. He loved to move them, and he's still doing it, which is pretty special. Yeah.